Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we know that this one that is about 3x squared. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. This one we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 plus 1, and we have 3 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have number 4. This one we have number 4. So number 3 multiplied by number 4, we have number 12. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.